Hey everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Now I'm gonna do a quick and easy makeup routine. It's gonna take like 5 minutes of a video, but really it took like 20. So not that bad, I would say. So going in with my Vaseline, I'm just putting that all over my face, and now going in with my Maybelline liquid foundation. I'm putting that all over my face and my problem areas. It's pretty light for me, but don't worry because I'm going to warm it up with some NYX tinted moisturizer. I actually need to get another Real Techniques sponge. Right now I'm using my 99-cent store sponge, which is really good anyways, but you know how we do. You know. So right there I'm doing my NYX tinted moisturizer in the shade Tan, which is a little too dark for me, obviously. But it contours very nice and it blends very nice. I think you guys would like it. So now going with my Becca setting powder, I'm just going underneath my eyes, on top of my eyes, and my T-zone area. I'm playing the Grinch right now in the back, so ignore it. Right now going with my my Hoola bronzer. Sorry, I think of Huda Beauty, but anyways, it's Hoola bronzer. And just warming up and setting that contour. And just buff that in, bitches. Buff it in. Buff, buff, buff. And now I'm just wiping that excess off with the same setting powder brush that I used. Now I'm going in with my Milani eyeshadow in that peach shade. And just blend your little hearts out till you get the consistency that you want. I'm just using a random fluffy brush, you guys. I don't know what it is. Now going with my Ofra mini highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I love this highlighter. I love it so much. It just melts right into the skin, especially if you just spray it with like Max Fix Plus. But here, I'm actually going in with my finger as a base for my Stila Retro. Rose Gold Retro. Sorry, that's what it's called. Sorry, you guys. Had a brain fart. So Rose Gold Retro, and I'm not going to buff the edges out yet. I'm just going to go on with my highlight. Just letting that Rose Gold Retro on my eyelids set. Look how beautiful that highlight is. Oh my god, I love it. Just highlighting every part of my face that I can. As I'm sure everybody else does. And now I'm going in with my Roller Lash from Benefit. I love this mascara, it's perfect. Now for my brows, I am using Brow Wiz. And I don't really do much for my brows, I just kind of line them. Brush them out, line them, that's it. With the Brow Wiz. Now I'm going back in with my Milani eyeshadow palette in the brown shade. And I'm buffing out those edges. Seamless. And now with my Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Tuscany. I love this liquid lipstick. It's not matte, though it could dry matte, but I think it's more of a satin lip. But yeah, it's a cranberry shade. I love it. I really like it with my little flannel that I have going on there. And no, I did not do my hair. I didn't feel like it. I just let it dry and put it up. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe, do what you want to do. I'm also doing a how-to um, skincare routine literally right after this. So if you would like, you can watch it. If not, don't watch it. If you have any negative comments, please just comment. I don't care. Whatever. Bye, you guys. Thank you.